Good morning, children. So I will continue the third lesson of class 7, that is Kingdom Classification, second. Here we all know that animals are divided into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are those animals which have backbone, and invertebrates are those animals which do not have backbone. So here we will discuss first the different classes of the vertebrates. So actually the vertebrate is divided into 5 parts, and that we will discuss in detail. The first one is called pisces. Second is called aves. Third, reptiles. Fourth one is called amphibians. And fifth one is called mammals. So let's describe in detail the different features of these groups. So first we'll take the pisces. Pisces means all fish. All fishes belong to the pisces. And fish is divided into 2 types. First one is cartilaginous fish, which have cartilage. Cartilage you all know, they are the soft bones. And the second one is called bony fish, which have bones. Hard. Bones are very hard. So the fish is divided into cartilaginous fish and bony fish. Now if we describe the features of the fish, you all know that fishes mostly live in water. Mostly means they all live in water. They are aquatic in nature. Aquatic means they live in water. Second feature we see that they have gills. Gills are the respiratory organ which are present in the fish for respiration. The third feature of the fish is that fishes have fins which help them in swimming. Fourth feature is that they have scales in their body. Next, they have streamlined body. And the most important is that the fishes are cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals means they can change their body temperature according to the environment. So these are the main features of the fish, that they are aquatic in nature, they have gills for respiration, they have fins which help them in swimming, they have scales throughout their body is streamlined, and they are cold-blooded animals. Second, we will describe about the aves, that is birds. All birds belong to the aves, and you all know about birds that they fly in the air. All birds mostly except few, they fly in the air, means they have wings which help them to fly. Their body is also streamlined body. Body is streamlined. Their bones are hollow. Because of the hollow bones only they are able to fly in the air. And they have feathers. The body is covered with the feathers which protect them from cold environment. So these are the main features of the aves, and one more feature is that they are warm-blooded animals. Means they cannot change their body temperature according to the environment. So all the birds, as you know, sparrow, pigeon, crow, they are all birds, and the main property I have already discussed. They fly in the air, and they have wings, their body is streamlined, bones are very hollow, the body is covered with feathers, and they are warm-blooded animals. Now the next group will discuss about the reptiles. Reptiles are mostly terrestrial animals, as well as they are aquatic also, some are. So they are both terrestrial as well as aquatic. Like crocodiles, they live on the land also, and they can live in the water also. Second, their body is also covered with hard scales, and they have moist skin. So they respire with the help of skin also sometimes when they live in the water, and they can also respire with the help of lungs. Mostly the crocodiles, snakes, they all belong to the reptiles. And they are also cold-blooded animals. They can change their body temperature according to the environment. So these are the main features of the reptiles. Now we come to the next, that is amphibians. Amphibians are mostly all the frogs which belong to the amphibians group. Means they can both live on land as well as in water, just like reptiles. Like frog, they live in water also, and they live on land also. When they breed, they lay eggs, means they go to the water, and when they become adult, they come out of the water. Second, their body is also moist and slimy skin. That's why they respire with the help of skin also, as well as with the help of lungs also. And also they sometimes respire with the help of gills, like when we see the life cycle of the frog. So when they are in the tadpole stage, in that stage they respire with the help of gills when they live in the water. But when they come out of the water, they respire with the help of lungs. So all frogs, salamanders, they all belong to the amphibians. I am discussing only the main features of the different groups. And the last one is, that is mammals. Mammals, you all know, we all belong to the mammalia group. Means main feature is that the body is covered with hair. They have mammary glands. And main feature of the mammals that they give birth to young ones. But few are there which do not give direct to young ones, but to young ones like platypus and echidna. Notochord is present, and many other features are present of the mammals. Like all human beings belong to the mammals, as well as cats, dog, rat, They all belong to the mammals. So today I have discussed all these vertebrate groups which belong to the vertebrate. They have backbone like fishes, apes, reptiles, amphibians and mammals. Tomorrow I will discuss about the invertebrates which do not have backbone, and I will give you the question answer and some exercise in the WhatsApp group. So be in touch with me.